Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your whole life is about to change. You are not strong, you are not fast, and you are certainly not a great fighter. In fact, you are just a normal person who works every day and dreams about something much bigger. This is the story of Po, a funny and friendly panda who loves Kung Fu more than anything in the world. Po lives with his father in a small restaurant where he helps make noodles, but his true passion is Kung Fu. He's an avid fan who knows the names, moves, and stories of famous fighters, especially his idols, the Furious Five: Tigress, Monkey, Mantis, Viper, and Crane. The obvious problem is that Po is not a Kung Fu fighter. He is a panda who spends most of his time making noodles and eating food. But one day, news rocks the valley. The great Master Oogway is going to choose the Dragon Warrior, the greatest Kung Fu fighter in the land. Desperate to witness the ceremony, Po tries everything to get into the Jade Palace. He runs, he climbs, and he even uses a chair rigged with fireworks to fly inside. Against all odds, he arrives at the exact moment Oogway is about to choose. Everyone expects Oogway to select one of the Furious Five, but to universal shock, Oogway points directly at Po. He is named the Dragon Warrior. Confusion reigns. Master Shifu, the Kung Fu teacher, can't believe it, and the Furious Five are baffled. Even Po himself struggles to comprehend how a large, slow panda could be the chosen one. Yet Oogway maintains there is a profound reason for his choice. Shifu was tasked with training Po, but it is not easy. Po cannot move, jump, or fight like the other students, and his love for food is a constant distraction. Shifu tries to drive him away with grueling exercises, expecting him to fail, but Po's persistence is remarkable. He returns every day, trying again and again. Shifu eventually discovers an innovative path. He uses food as a reward. When Po executes moves correctly, he earns treats. This allows Po to rapidly improve, learning to use his body in entirely new ways. The Furious Five start to notice that while Po is different, his unique approach might be an unconventional strength. Meanwhile, a serious threat emerges. Tai Lung, a powerful former student of Shifu, who was denied the title of Dragon Warrior years ago, has escaped from prison. Seeking revenge, Tai Lung aims to prove he was always the rightful choice. Fear sweeps through the land. Shifu knows Po isn't ready, but before Master Oogway departs, he imparts a crucial lesson. Po must believe in himself. With Oogway gone, Tai Lung arrives and defeats the Furious Five one by one. Only Po and Shifu remain. Po is terrified, still questioning why he was chosen. Shifu reveals the Dragon Scroll believed to hold the secret to becoming the Dragon Warrior. Po hopes for a magical power, but upon opening it, he sees only his own reflection. In that moment, he understands there is no secret, no hidden magic. The power was within him all along. He doesn't need to change who he is. He just needs to believe in himself. Po confronts Tai Lung. Though Tai Lung is more experienced, faster, and more powerful, Po brings something different to the fight. He uses his unique body, his funny movements, and his confidence, and most importantly, he refuses to give up. Tai Lung, enraged by this unpredictable style, is finally defeated. Po saves the valley, the Furious Five respect him, and Shifu finally accepts him as a true student. The most important aspect of Po's journey is not his physical transformation, but his self-belief. At the start, Po thought he needed to be thin, fast, strong, and perfect. By the end, he learned that you don't need to become someone else to be successful. You need to understand who you are and use your own strengths. Sometimes the thing that makes you different is your greatest asset. Po wasn't perfect. He made mistakes, he was afraid, and he failed often. But he kept going, which is what made him special. There is a lesson here for us all. Perhaps you are learning English and feel inadequate, forgetting words, struggling to speak, or only understanding parts of what you hear. It's okay. You don't need to be perfect from the start. Just like Po, you can learn step by step, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. The person who thinks they aren't ready is often closer to success than they realize. And that is the story of Po, the panda who wanted to learn Kung Fu and became the dragon warrior.